Hello Pancakeswap holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the latest and urgent update of the Pancakeswap. What's going on in the Pancakeswap, and we also going to discuss the future of the Pancakeswap in this video, my friends. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now this time the latest price of the Pancakeswap is 15.94 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Pancakeswap. Furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes of the Pancakeswap, so now the last 1 hour changes occur in the K coin is negative. The last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Pancakeswap is positive. So the previous time of the K crypto is absolutely going good, and now my friends, don't be disappointed. Now the current situation is also going good, but you have to just wait for some time. You have to just patience, my friends. Be wait for the huge power of the Pancakeswap. Absolutely, my friends. I'm sure, I believe that Pancakeswap have to take a jump, my friends. Just wait, my friends. Just wait a minute, my friends. Now let me show you the price chart. Oh, you can see, my friends, in the previous time you can see that is the last 3 days price chart of the Pancakeswap. And from the previous last 3 days, you can see from the 4th July the Pancakeswap starts jumping, and now I think still this time also the price of the Pancakeswap is in the jumping. But now you can see here same like that. At this time the price falls down for some time. You can see here same like that. Now this time the price falling down for some time, and after 1 hour 30 minutes the price will again pump like that. You can see here like that. That is my prediction about Pancakeswap. So my friends, I think the future of the Pancakeswap is going good. And what is your opinion about Pancakeswap? How do you feel about the cake crypto? Please share your opinion in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.